Now, demand for private cord blood storage in Singapore will grow at around 9% per year, and that's according to consulting firm Deloitte. There are now 4 cord blood banks in Singapore, 3 of which are privately run. And one of them, Cord Life, sees business benefiting from the government's push to encourage Singaporeans to marry and have those children. Linette has this report.
Private cord blood bank Cord Life Singapore released 8 units of cord blood to families over the past 5 years. Half of these were used in transplants to treat blood-related disorders. The other half were used to treat neuroblastoma, a rare type of childhood cancer, and cerebral palsy.
In the last 10 years or so, the medical utility of cord blood usage, for example, has more than doubled. So naturally, this has contributed significantly to the increased levels of cord blood banking.
Cord blood is blood obtained from the umbilical cord at birth. It's a rich source of stem cells and is stored by being cryogenically frozen at temperatures below minus 150 degrees Celsius. 35-year-old Veronica Wong is one parent who's chosen to bank the cord blood of her 2 sons.
I don't think any doctor could actually give a foolproof guarantee that every child will be born healthy and will be able to grow up healthily. Anything can happen. So we decided to embark on it because at the end of the day, financially we were able to, so it wasn't a very difficult decision to make.
Banking cord blood for personal use does not come cheap. Private cord blood banks here have a one-time enrollment fee of around 2,000 Sing dollars and an annual storage fee over $200. The only public cord blood bank in Singapore accepts cord blood units only as donations. Like other public cord blood banks, it does not allow donors to choose their recipients. The growing popularity of cord blood banking in Singapore signals an increasingly affluent population, as well as a growing confidence in a future where a wide variety of ailments can be treated using stem cells. But some researchers have expressed concern over the necessity of private cord blood banks. However, cord blood banking is still relatively new in Singapore, and according to an expert from A-Star's Bioinformatics Institute, there are no accurate estimates on the likelihood of children needing their own stored cord blood stem cells in the future. Still, Cord Life is optimistic about its business prospects, citing incentives targeted at encouraging marriage and parenthood.